Hi friends, this is Prabhat for TechBSD. Today, as you can see, I have the MI A1 phone box. This is a Android One phone by MI. So this is the box, the retail package. Company has mentioned some of the key specification on the back: dual camera, a pure Android, Snapdragon 625, and a 5.5-inch Full HD screen. And they also have mentioned that battery is 3080 mAh, and it also have a 5 megapixel front camera. It is a dual SIM, dual standby phone, and the color I have ordered is a black color, which is a 4GB and 64GB, and only one version is available at present, and you can order it from the Flipkart for a price of 15,000 rupees, which is roughly converted to $250. So guys, now it's time to unbox it. So let me just cut it, then we're going to open it. So this is there is a polythene wrap on the outside. First I'm gonna cut it. Now you can see that it's going to come out like this, and it also show that this is made in India, and you can also see that the price mentioned here is 15,999, but it is available for a discount. Okay, now on the main box you also get that MI branding and MI A1 on this side. Let me just cut it from here, and also from the bottom. So guys, it's almost done. So what else we have on the top? We have the phone itself. Okay guys, let me just keep it for the side. See that this is the phone we have, the A1 itself. I'm gonna keep it side for timing, and going further we have another cardboard. If you remove it, it will come out completely, and the box is empty now. See that? The bottom you got the SIM ejector pin. So usual stuff. If you open it, here you're gonna find your charger, and this one is a pretty simple 5-watt 2 ampere charger. And the sad part about this MI A1 is that it don't support the fast charging, so you have to deal with that. And going further, you have your USB cable. See that the quality is nice, and you got the type C port. See that this is a type C USB A to USB type C. Okay, going further, what else we have? You have the MI A1 some thank you for choosing thank you note from MI. So keep it side, and this is the warranty statement, or I guess user manual. Yeah, some paperwork. So going to put it side. Now I'm going to come back to the phone itself. Let me just remove the protector. Wait, guys. Yeah, this one is the protector film. I'm gonna keep it side so you can see that this is the phone we have. Let me just power it on. Give me a haptic feedback, and you can see that this is the first boot up animation. So by the time it boots up, I'm going to give you the physical overview. On the top you have the IR blaster and secondary mic for noise cancellation. On the bottom you have your USB type C port for charging and data syncing, your speaker grill, and the one and only 3.5mm jack, and your mic. So going to the right you have your volume rocker up and down button, and also your power on off button. So coming to the left you have your SIM tray, and this one is a hybrid. That means you can use either two SIM or a single SIM or a micro SD card. So it's boots up. I'm gonna, let's go United States. I'm gonna skip all the part. Let me disconnect to my Wi-Fi. Yeah, it's done. So guys, on the back you have your fingerprint. You can see that this is your fingerprint and your dual camera. One is a 2.6 aperture and 2.2 aperture lens. One is a telescopic lens for 2x optical zoom, and you have your LED notification light. Sorry, your flashlight here. This is a dual tone flash, and on the front you also have your 5 megapixel front camera and your earpiece. So I'm gonna skip this part just to show you the interface. Skip everything. I'm gonna give it any name. Skip fingerprints, asking me for the fingerprint. Skip anyway. I'm gonna skip next, all set. So it's adding finishing touch. You can see that this is the first boot up, and I also got some system update. As this phone is backed up by Google, so you are going to get the Android Oreo before the end of the year, and also you are going to get the Android P, which is the next version of the Android. So that is promised by the Google. So guys, this is about the phone, and I'm gonna show you the app drawer. You can see that there is nothing, a single app, no bloatware, only just MI community app. And apart from that, what else you get? You get a MI remote app, because of that your IR blaster. You can set your device here. So the buttons are backlit. You can see that this is your home, back, and recent button. You can see that. Okay, so I already got some updates. Tap here to download. I'm gonna do it later. Just going to show you the version. About phone, you can see that Android version is 7.1.2, and this is a new get. And soon you are going to get the Android O. Talking about the others, you got how much memory you get. By the time you boot the phone in the first boot, you get 2.4 GB of RAM free from that 4 GB, because it have a 4 GB and 64 GB. And from that 64 GB you get somewhere around 58.24 GB. Only 8.33 GB is acquired by the system, so that's very good. What else you have? You have the gesture option here, where you can set swipe for notification. To check your notification, swipe down on fingerprint. You can enable it. With the help of this, you can see that if you swipe on your fingerprint, your notification will come up, and if you swipe up, it will go up. So second gesture you can have, if you double press your power button, it will launch your camera. You can see that camera is launched, and as you can see that this camera has going to have a portrait mode, and this one is here. The option is for portrait mode is here, and the camera app is tuned by MI itself. This is not a stock Android camera app. So you can see that. So now you're going to some filters here. Here you have some filters, and you have the HDR on and off, your flash on and off. What else you have? Yes, you have the option panorama, timer, audio, beauty mode, manual. You can have the manual option. You can tune the setting according to your requirement. Okay, you have the watermark option also for dual camera. Let me just click some pictures with the camera, guys. Wait a minute. Okay, As you can see that I'm gonna exit from the manual mode, and now this is auto mode. You can see this is not the very fast, good but not pretty fast. Now I'm going to turn off the, so after switching off the flash, this is the picture. I'm going to give you the complete review of the camera in later videos. So for more videos guys, subscribe the channel and also like the video. On the right you get the typically Google like app drawer. If you swipe from bottom you got the app drawer. On the left you have your Google Now, and also by pressing your home button you can sign in that. So guys, I guess this is just for the unboxing. For more views, keep hitting the like button and also subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is Prabhat for TechBSD.